friends, home security systems, including the Ring Alarm 8-piece kit, help protect your home with smart monitoring, instant alerts, and reliable security for greater peace of mind every day. Starting number 1. Wi-Fi Wireless SOS Button Alarm. The Wi-Fi Wireless Emergency SOS Button is a smart caregiver alert system designed for seniors, patients, and home care. It connects to the Tuya Smart app over 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, sending instant push notifications to caregivers when the waterproof SOS button is pressed. With no monthly fees, easy setup, multi-user sharing, and reliable emergency alerts, it's an ideal solution for elderly care, home monitoring, and quick assistance. Number 2. Ring Alarm Pro 8 Alarm. The Ring Alarm Pro 8-piece kit is a complete smart home security system featuring a built-in Arlo Wi-Fi 6 router for fast, secure whole-home internet and advanced protection. The kit includes an Alarm Pro base station, keypad, for contact sensors, motion detector, and range extender, with app-based monitoring, real-time alerts, and a 30-day free Ring Protect home subscription. It's an ideal solution for reliable home security, remote control, and integrated smart home connectivity. Number 3. Arlo Home Security Alarm. The Arlo Home Security System, SS1201, is a DIY smart security solution featuring a wired keypad sensor hub and two 8-in-1 all-in-one sensors that detect motion, door/window activity, water leaks, smoke and CO alarms, temperature changes, light, and tilt. With 24/7 professional monitoring, optional, no long-term contract, app-based control, easy installation, and expandable accessories, it offers flexible and reliable protection for modern homes. Number 4. eufy ExpertSecure System E10 Alarm. The eufy ExpertSecure System E10 is an advanced smart home security system featuring a home security center with 4G cellular connectivity, battery backup, and local AI for fast, private threat detection. Compatible with a wide range of eufy security devices, it offers flexible monitoring plans with no long-term contract, real-time alerts, and reliable protection even during internet or power outages, making it a dependable solution for modern home security. Number 5. Ring Alarm 5 Alarm. The Ring Alarm 5-piece kit, newest model, is a wireless smart security system designed for homes and small businesses. It includes a base station, keypad, contact sensor, motion detector, and range extender, with easy DIY installation and expansion options for additional sensors. The system offers mobile app control, optional 24/7 professional monitoring, real-time alerts, and seamless Amazon Alexa compatibility, making it a reliable and user-friendly home security solution. Hello friends, that brings us to the end. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already and leave a like. See you in the next video.